With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, a gas is at 1 atm pressure with the volume 800 centimeter cube, and when 100 joule of heat is supplied to the gas, it expands to 1 liter at the constant pressure. So here we have the constant pressure and we have to find the change in its internal energy. We have A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct. So the solution of this question is, we know that the delta Q, that is change in heat, is equals to delta U, that is change in internal energy, plus delta W, that is work done, change in work done here. So from this we can write here change in internal energy is delta Q plus delta minus delta W, that is change in work done, and we have given here at constant pressure. So we know that at constant pressure work done, change in work done is equals to, so we have firstly change in work done, that is delta W is equals to P into delta V, and we have the delta Q is equals to 100. So we have that change in internal energy is 100 minus P delta V, and we have P is 1 atm, so we can convert it into the Pascal. So this is 10 power 5 Pascal, PA Pascal air, and we have the delta V, change in volume is it is expanded to 1 liter from the 800 centimeter cubes. We can convert it into the meter. So this is 10 power minus 3 minus 800 into 10 power minus 6. So we have the change in volume is equals to 10 power 3. If we take 10 power 3 common here, so this is 1 minus 800 into 10 power minus 3. So if we put the value here, so we get internal energy change in internal energy. So this will equals to 100 minus 10 power 5, and this is multiplied with 10 power minus 3, and 1 minus 800 into 10 power minus 3 here. So on solving this, we get change in internal energy, that is delta U is equals to, this will become 100 minus 10 power 2, and this is 1 minus, and this will become here 8 into 10 power minus 3, and this is minus 2. So this is minus 5 here. So from this we get delta U is equals to 100 minus 10 power 2 minus 8 into 10 power minus 3. So from this we get this is equals to 80 joule. So this is the answer for this question, that is change in internal energy. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option A is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.